when you are bombarded by those who do not even consider you a human being. In those moments, you are all alone. But when you see that nobody cares about you and thinks about you, you become the loneliest person in the world. So the least we can do here is to break the silence and remind them that they are not really alone. The Palestinians in Gaza, living and dying in the most terrible conditions. You are not alone. The people of Iran suffering under tyranny. You are not alone. And the Kurds in Rojava and the Middle East, struggling for their rights for almost a century. You are not alone. And finally, my people, you are not alone. My dear friend Chidem, who is in prison for the last 4 years, you are not alone. Typhoon, Can and Mine, you are not alone as well. Osman Kavala, who is in jail for 8 years. Selahattin Demirtaş, for the last 9 years. And Ekrem İmamoğlu, the mayor of Istanbul, and all other mayors who are in prison now. You are not alone. We are not alone. We will not be alone.